So I just got inside. Very, very nice day here. Flowers are blooming. And along with it, the allergy in my nose also blooming. Rather lovely today, with about 10 sneezes, and now completely stuffed up my nose, and I can't blow it. No air at all. You can hear it. I'll try to blow it. Nothing at all. So I gotta try to sneeze. Get something out of here. Come on. Oh God, please. I have to get into a meeting. And cannot sound like a 9-year-old with a stuffed nose. Please. I beg of you, God. Please. Help me sneeze. Nothing. Oh, yeah. Achoo! Oh, wow. Sometimes it just feels so good. I don't know about you guys, but worst allergy season I've ever had. Ever. Achoo! Oh, God. Come on. Achoo! Achoo! Oh, God, a mess. I gotta... Oh, something's coming out. Oh. Okay. Not great, but let me know. Tell me how I sound, guys. I still sound like I got a cold in the nose. Give me a yay or nay in the comments below. Let me blow again. Well, we'll see. Uh-oh, there's another sneeze. Oh. Oh. That kind of cleared the pipes. Oh yeah, much better. Thank God. 5 minutes to the call, and I only sound like I've got one completely stuffed nostril. Anyway, have a great day.